Hello guys! Food trip natin yan ay footlong na hinati and cheeseburger. From Burger ng Bayan, Angel's Burger. That's it. So let's eat the burger first. Fresh patty, slice of cheese, mayo, and ketchup. Taste test. Unang kagat. May pati naman. Next, yung putlong. Natin yung putlong. Yan. Sarap yung putlong. Angel's Burger approved. Bye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow and subscribe. This is Nidam.